Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play a video in a Zoom meeting. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Zoom and click on host, and then you need to click on with video on and start hosting a video. And now it is connecting. So wait for a few seconds so that now it is, so you can see that. So let me mute that here and stop video. So now you can see that, and if I want to share screen, you simply need to click on share screen here, and this is my screen, and then you need to click on share. So now you can see that my screen is sharing. You can see that the green line in the bottom of all the four sides. So now the whole screen is sharing. So by following these steps, you can easily share screen on Zoom meeting. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.